Hard work is a key to success. If you are looking for advancement in your life, if you are in search of successes in your life, you need to work hard. You need to break the records, work records of successful people in work field. Then only success can be achieved. I have a question for you. Do you know who is the best Olympic swimmer? It's a Michael Phelps, who has broken record of a previous Olympic swimmer star named as a Mark Fizz. This Michael Phelps won more than 8 gold medals in Olympic Games. And do you know the value of one gold medal? It's a really priceless. It's a pride of nation, because in Olympic Games there are more than 150 countries and their best teams are there to do their best, and you have to beat all those teams. You have to secure a good position for your country. Olympic Games happens after each 4 years. Recently this Arshad Nadeem, Pakistani player, a javelin throw player, he won a gold medal for his country, and his victory was celebrated in Chief Minister House, in Prime Minister House, in Rawalpindi Army HQ, and his celebration was there in President House and in Governor House, in streets, and even in entire country. That was really a prize for entire nation. So winning a gold medal in Olympic field is really a priceless. Michael Phelps, after winning a gold medal, Mark Fizz, have to conduct a press conference. There was an English journalist. She asked a question that how you are feeling, Michael Phelps? This day was a very great day for you, and you could secure a great position. You had won for your nation. So how you are feeling? Michael Phelps replied very politely. He replied that he remained in a water. Each day he remained in a water for 8 hours. For a month, 8 multiplied by 30. And for a year, 8 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 12. And for 4 years, 8 multiplied by 30 multiplied by 12 comes equal to 12,000. In 4 years, he remained in water for 12,000 hours. It's a really harder to remain in a water even for 1 hour. He said that inspiration behind this came. He calculated the life of this Mark Fizz. He used to spend his 6 hours in water. He said that when this idea came in my mind that I have to beat this Mark Fizz, I have to break the record of his hard work. How it was really hard to spend 12,000 hours in a water. He said that I have to break the records done by Mark Fizz. Then only he succeeded to beat him. He said that I had secured a position for my nation. I had secured a position for my country. And I made a victory. I made a history for my country, for my nation. He said to that journalist, if you succeeded to break record of these 12,000 hours, mean if you do 13,000 in next 4 years, definitely you will be standing over there and we will be taking interview for you. So in order to succeed, in order to break the records, you have to break the records of successful people. Ladies and gentlemen, success is very easier to achieve, but the hard work is really painful. It's not easier to do. You have to take the pains. You have to accept the problems. You have to accept the hurdles. By embracing all these things, only you can break the record of hard work done by previous legends, and then only you can become a legend. Ladies and gentlemen, the topic is going to be very interesting. You need to keep your hand on your heart. Before moving ahead, I would like to request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon. And if you found that this video is a good source of information for you, you're requested to like my video. And if you found that there exists a need of further improvement in my videos, so let me know by your suggestion in comment box, so that my upcoming uploads will be according to your suggestion. Let's begin actual topic. You need to keep patience. I'm going to share a very interesting things for you. This was the first level. Hard work was the first level of this topic. The second level is changes and upgradation. Changes and upgradation is a very mandatory, is a very essential if you want to survive yourself. Mobile phones and the gadgets like laptop, personal computers and few other gadgets, they require upgradation in their software after each 2 weeks or after 1 month or after 3 months. They required upgradation. What is the purpose behind this upgradation? This upgradation is a mandatory because in the market there are a few latest things, there are a few new things that need to be configured. If you fail to configure those things, then the market will move forward and you will remain behind the market. So configuration with the upgradation is a mandatory. These changes need to be accepted. I have a few questions for you. Do you want to eat dirty food? Do you want to wear a dirty clothes? Do you want to sit on a dirty place? Do you want to use a dirty toilet? How do we hate dirty things? How do we outdated things? How do we hate the obsolete things? But why we do not hate the dirty thoughts, process of dirty thoughts? And why we do not hate these obsolete thoughts? Ladies and gentlemen, I have a few examples for you. On the screen, you can see few cellular companies like Nokia, Sony Ericsson, Motorola, Siemens. I have a question. How many of you have used these cell phones? Is there anybody who has used these cell phones? There will be many more. Because even I used these varieties of mobile phone in 2007, 2008, 2009. I had used these mobile phones. And I have a question. Now where you found these mobile phone? Nowhere in market, na? Nokia was proudly enough. Sony Ericsson was having a proud that they are unbeatable. They are a market brand and there is a no more space in further improvement. They used to think that they already had touched the height of successes. They had touched the height of successes. Always there is a need of improvement, and they ignored this thing that always there is a need of improvement. If the person like me used to visit Nokia, Sony Ericsson or these company offices, corporate offices, and ask them that after 15 years, after 20 years, no name for your company because you are not upgrading your system, you are not upgrading your gadgets. Market is progressing, market is a competition. They are looking for new things, they are looking for innovations, they are looking for upgradations. You also to run forward as per market, then they definitely shoot me and they will have a claim. They will ask me a question by shooting that do you know whom you are talking, for which company you are talking, the leading brand company in the world, and how do you dare to talk about such a big brand companies in the world. They definitely ask a question from me. They failed to upgrade their system. They failed to bring a system, more potential network. They failed to bring a more stronger system as of Android, as of iOS. They failed to bring a more stronger system. And finally, there is a no name of these companies in world. Now they totally have lost their identity. Nobody now to these companies because lack of adoption of new ideas, because lack of employing new ideas, because lack of innovations. They thought that this is the final. So never finalize your ideas, never finalize your thoughts. Keep this thing in your mind that change is a mandatory. Time requires changes, and each interval of time brings a new changes. The technology is enhancing, the world knowledge is a spreading, it's a increasing day by day. There are a latest version of knowledge, there are a latest version of technology each day. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to survive in market, you need to upgrade your thoughts, you need to upgrade your ideas, you need to upgrade your system, you need to upgrade your technologies. Google has beaten Yahoo, MSN. Yahoo and MSN were big searching engines. But now, nowhere you will find Yahoo and MSN. Whenever you want to search anything, Google will be there to search. Google has beaten these MSN and Yahoo and secured a good marketplace. Even in each mobile phone, in each computer, in each operating system, Google is there to help you in searching things. Google is the biggest search engine in the world right now. Before that, the Google was on 18th number in search engine because he embraced changes. Google embraced innovations. Google embraced new things. Google adopted new things. So the purpose behind discussing these things is this, that a hard worker is always a successor. But with a hard work, the changes are very essential. If you do not accept the changes, you will become a part of history. There will be no future for you. Your present will ruin you. So to touch the height of successes, hard work is a very essential, is a very mandatory. You can make a record, you can make a history. For that, you need to break the records of the heroes, you need to break the records of the stars, you need to break the records of successful people, you need to break the records of their hard work, and you need to accept, you need to embrace, you need to adopt the changes in technology. You need to bring about new thoughts, new innovation, new ideas for your advancement. That's it. Jazakallah.